Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be guiding you how to log into Australia Post employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with, and on the search URL type in Australia Post employee login. Then press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to multiple search results. From here, head over to the first link that says ourpost.com.au. Click on that link and you will land on this page. This page is the common page for the employee and contractor of Australia Post. Now in order to log in, scroll down a bit, and as you can see on this interface, there is a button says Our Post Dashboard. Click on there. Then you will be directly redirected to the login portal. Now here, enter your login credential. First of all, enter your valid email, phone or Skype linked to your account. If you are having trouble accessing your account, click on this link provided that says can't access your account. After you do that, click on next, and on the next page you will be asked to enter your password. Enter your correct password, and once you do that, click on login button, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your employee account. So that's how you can simply log into Australia Post employee account. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, comments and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you in next video.